Tensions between the U.S. and Iran continue to escalate. Tehran has just announced that it has dismantled a new espionage network linked to the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency and arrested a number of spies. Earlier, China's top diplomat Wang Yi warned the world not to open a Pandora's box in the Middle East.
Mr. Wang denounced U.S. pressure on Iran and urged it not to drop out of a landmark nuclear deal.
Mounting fears of a direct confrontation between the U.S. and Iran after two oil tankers were attacked in the Gulf of Oman last week. The U.S. blamed Iran for the attacks, a charge Tehran denied. Tensions between the two countries have escalated after President Trump withdrew from a 2015 nuclear deal and unilaterally reimposed sanctions on Tehran. On Monday, Iran hit back, announcing it would stop observing restrictions on its stocks of enriched uranium. It's threatened to go even further unless the other signatories to the deal help it circumvent the U.S. sanctions. All this has left China's top diplomat worried.
当然，对此表示我们的高度关注。我们呼吁各方要共同推动伊朗核问题和海湾地区形势走向缓和，而不是任其恶性循环，甚至走向冲突。
Wang Yi spoke after Washington upped the pressure further on Monday, announcing it would deploy 1,000 additional troops to the region.
我们呼吁各方保持理性和克制，不要再采取任何刺激地区局势紧张的升级的行动，不要打开潘多拉的盒子。特别是美方应该改变极限施压的做法。正像我刚才所说，任何单边主义的行径都是没有国际法依据的。
Wang Yi added that Iran should not abandon the nuclear agreement either. China and Iran have close energy ties, and Iran's foreign minister has already visited China twice this year.